Hello crafters, this is Gareth from Elf Creations and welcome to today's crafty Christmas video. As you know, or you may not know, but this year I'm having a kind of whimsical theme on my main Christmas tree, so C9 bulbs, elves, that type of thing. I love the elves that you can get that stick out of the trees. Now, I have bought a set and I managed to get them at a fairly decent price, but I know usually they're really expensive. And I wanted to see if there was a way we could do these things in a cheaper way. Now, I got these off of eBay. Now, these are designed as table legs, or you could put bottles in them, you know, as a gift. But I thought I could make these into those legs that stick out using a pool noodle. Try saying that 3 times fast. Now, this pool noodle is from Poundland, as are these bamboo sticks. You get 30 bamboo sticks for a pound, and they're 60 centimeters in length. So what I was thinking of doing is putting my pool noodle inside the foot, and then having the stick sticking out so I can put it in the tree. So I'm just going to roughly cut where I need the pool noodle. So that's that. And what I was thinking of doing is, obviously because the pool noodle is smaller than the actual space inside, as you can see there, I'm going to fill it with either plastic bags, or you could fill it with what's that stuff called that you get in cushions, that I can't think what it's called. You know, that fiber stuff that you can buy. So instead of buying the fiber stuff in a pack, which is really expensive, what I did is I bought a cheap £1 cushion from Poundland, and this is the cushion here. And what I thought I'd do is cut open the cushion. Now, I bought the cushion for its stuffing, not for the cushion, so I'm not bothered about this particular cushion, but I bought it for its stuffing. So what I'm going to do is, using the stuffing, I'm going to stuff the inside. But what I thought about doing was putting it round the pool noodle. I have to say that in my head before I say it out loud, because I know it's going to come out wrong. So I'm just going to do that. So what I'm going to do at the bottom is I'm going to put some glue. So I'm going to turn this partially inside out, and with the pool noodle I'm going to cover the base in hot glue, and I'm going to put that into my elf legs. Okay, so that's that. Now, using this fibre, I am going to stuff around the pool noodle to fill out the base. So these particular elf shoes weren't overly expensive. They were, I think they're about just over £1 for the pair. You could probably get them for about £1, because I have seen them on eBay for that. So I think they were about £1. So I'm going to stuff this leg just to bulk it out and to give it shape. Hello crafters, my camera died and I didn't realise. You've missed most of it, so this is the finished result. So I'm going to redo it using this one. So I'm just going to get my pool noodle, and I'm going to put some hot glue on the base. Really sorry about that. I wish my camera would, you know, send off some alerts, but it doesn't, which is really frustrating. So I'm just going to put the base of my pool noodle on what will be the base of the shoe, which is just there. And now, using the inside of a cushion that I bought from Poundland, I'm going to fill this up just to give it its shape. I'm going to work my way around the pool noodle just to give it a balanced shape appearance. I was really shocked to find out how much this filler costs if you buy it in bags, and I thought to myself, right, pound shops selling these cheap cushions, they're going to be filled with this filler. Why not just go to the pound shop and buy yourself a couple of cheap cushions and use those? I'm all about being economic when it comes to craft. I managed to find a set of these proper ones, the ones that you can buy in stores after Christmas, and they were about £15, which I thought was an absolute great price, because I know when I tried to purchase them previously, I could only find them in the US, and then shipping was ridiculous, and the actual price of the item was quite ridiculous as well. So I was really chuffed to find them at such a cheap price. So right, I've got this filled, and using one of the sticks which come from Poundland, and they come in a pack of 30 for £1. I'm going to cut off my pool noodle to the relevant length. I'm going to put some hot glue on my stick, and I am going to submerge him most of the way down, but not all the way down, because I don't want it to poke out the bottom. And then I'm going to bring up this material and this bit of ribbon, which is actually attached to the elf leg, and I'm going to tie it off. And there you have two elf legs that I can put in my tree at different levels, and they cost a hell of a lot less than some of the ones you can buy in the stores. So these are about £1 for the two. I'll leave a link in the description bar if I can find them on eBay. The cushion was £1. I haven't used that much of it. These were £1 for 30. I've only used 2. The pool noodle was £1 and I've used just a part of it. So this was probably less than £3 to make, which is a far cry from the, you know, £30–40 I've seen for these type of things in the shops over here or overseas in the US. Thank you very much for joining me, and I apologise for the camera cutting out and whatnot. I didn't realise it had cut out, but hopefully you'll get the general idea. Thank you for joining me, crafters, and I'll see you again very soon. Take care now. Bye bye.